Hello friends, in this lecture we will see solid profile 3D. This is profile 3D and here it is solid profile 3D. We can create a profile toolpath along the vertical edges, and this is especially used for profiling option as we have done in planar milling, the planar profile. Same we have this solid profile 3D for contour edges or contour shape. Okay, so first, I'm going to create a geometry and tool, then we will start with this. See, this is the toolpath, what I want to create. So delete this one, and the tool is this. So from workpiece, this is my part, and for blank, I am using a offset. So I'm using offset from part, and the offset is zero point 0.5. Okay, okay. Now create operation, and my operation is solid profile 3D. Tool is this ball mill, it is ball mill 4. Okay, okay. And here we have to define geometry, and geometry is wall. So select all the walls because this toolpath will generate about this wall. Okay, okay. Nothing is to trim. So what boundary is this? From the main, it will follow the wall bottom, means this edge, it will follow. And multi-side, multi-depth, I'm not selecting this. First generate the simple toolpath, then we will make some more changes. See, the toolpath is working with this. Okay, along the edges, if you will see the preview. Okay, okay. And here I'm going to add multi-side or multi-depth. And before this multi-depth, okay, just select this, and this is 2, and increment I 1.5 and generate. See, this is a multi-depth. Okay, okay, it is not the issue. Now I want to keep my tool path on this surface, so this radius is 2, so I want 2.0 offset, and from shading, see this. Now it is on the proper surface. Let's check this replay. Okay, and in 3D dynamic, let's see this. Okay, so this is multi depth, and I want to add multi passes. If you have the material, so that time we can use this multi side, and one is my side depth and zero point 0.5, and see this one into two sides and three passes, and you can offset it from positive or negative direction. Means if you want to add in negative direction, so it will offset in negative direction, 2 mm offset from this face. Okay, and I know this is 2 mm radius, so that it will come on this face. So this is the solid profile 3D.